Hello, my name is Frankie Fleming, and I'm here to demonstrate how to make a first aid kit. I cannot remember a time when I cut my hand or scraped my knee and I didn't have a first aid kit handy. Having a first aid kit cannot prevent accidents from happening, but it definitely can help. First, I will show you what you will need in your first aid kit. Let's say you have a cut. Maybe it's not major, it's small, but it can get infected and it will hurt a lot. So if you have a cut, you would use hydrogen peroxide pads, which are $1.75 for a pack. Q-tips if you don't want to touch the wound, which are about $1.75 a pack. Latex gloves to make sure you don't infect the cut, which are about $5 a pack. Neosporin, which you can get at any store for about $2.50. And of course, Band-Aids. And this is actually a 37-piece all-in-one first aid emergency kit, and it has all sorts of Band-Aids on it. There's waterproof, small, big, anything you need at all. How you would use it is you would wipe the infected area with hydrogen peroxide, wait for that to dry, put a little drop of Neosporin on it, and cover it with a Band-Aid. All the while using latex gloves to make sure that the area is secure and not messy. Now, if you have a headache or you hit your head, something like in that sort of area, if you bump your elbow and it hurts a lot, you use an ice pack. An ice pack is 99 cents. It's super cheap. All you have to do to make this ice pack cold, because it's not right now, it's just beads, you take your hand and you hit really hard, right where it says squeeze there, really, really hard. And you shake it for it's a couple seconds, and you apply it to the affected area. And if you have a headache, if it's a head injury, you use Tylenol, Midol, whatever sort of pain reliever that you would like. That's usually about $2, $3. Now, if it's something to do with your eye, if you get an eyelash in your eye and you can't get it out, or if something pokes you in your eye and it's irritated, you use eye wash. Use eye wash. It's about $2.50, and it's perfect if you want to wash out your eye. For instance, when I was younger, I would always get something in my eye because I would like to play in the dirt and the grass and everything, and a bug would get in my eye or something or another, and my mom would have to wash out my eye every day. So that was really, really helpful having that in. There's also gauze. Like if you sprain your ankle and you need to go to the emergency room, you should probably wrap it in gauze before you go. And what you could do with gauze is you take one out, as such, you open it, and it's right here. They're not very big, it's not hard to use. All you do, say I hurt my thumb, and it's not in the right place, and I fractured it, I did something to it, you just wrap it as such, and you're good to go. Now, you can use any sort of container. I, personally, my family, uses this plastic container that we got for $3 at the Dollar Tree, and you can fit everything in it. It's super simple. Now, if you have a box this big, you don't have to use them all. You can take about 5, I would say, put them right in there. Toothpicks, or Q-tips, right there. Eye wash, antibacterial wipes, Neosporin, latex gloves, ice pack, Band-Aids, and pain medicine. And if you look right here, it closes right up. Really easy, super, super, super great. I don't know what I would have done when I was younger if I didn't have a first aid kit handy. I was everywhere. I was climbing trees, I was riding my bike, my skateboard, anything I could. I was playing sports, and I always got hurt. I'm very clumsy, but I love to do activities. And having one of these saved me from, I don't know how many infections, how many headaches, how many head injuries. Just, it's safe. You don't know when accidents are going to happen, but you can definitely prepare for them. Now, if you don't have one of these handy things, you can also use a bag, a plastic bag, a grocery shopping bag, anything. As long as the container can hold these supplies, then you are fantastic. Golden, even. Now, in conclusion, having a first aid kit in your household is not only smart and easy, but it's definitely affordable. And having one is the right way to go. Whether you are 5 years old, 16, 18, 20, 60 years old, having a first aid kit can benefit you. Because, like I said before, accidents are not predictable. That's why they call accidents. So you can't prepare for them, so be prepared for them.